A motion to extend the time for the briefing pertaining to remedies has been submitted by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Remedy briefing was extended by 1 week after the SEC requested the court to amend the upcoming deadline as stated in a letter provided by renowned crypto lawyer James K. Phelan. New proposed deadlines. In a letter dated February 27th, the SEC asked for a 9-day extension from March 13, 2024 to March 22, 2024 to file its opening brief. According to the SEC, the 9-day delay will give them enough time to finish their briefing on remedies and conduct a comprehensive assessment of Ripple's financial records. The SEC made it clear that Ripple's deadline extension request will not be biased. This is due to the fact that on April 12, 2024, it requested that the court grant Ripple an extension of 10 days to April 22nd so that it could submit its opposition pertaining to remedies. Furthermore, the SEC is requesting an extension of time from April 29, 2024 to May 6, 2024 in order to submit its reply brief. The SEC cited Ripple's agreement to its request for a time extension as an explanation for why it should be granted. Furthermore, it was highlighted that the court had not been requested by any side to prolong the deadline for briefings pertaining to remedies. There is good reason to grant the deadline extension request, according to the SEC. To begin, the Commission maintained that it had thoroughly finished all finding and briefing pertaining to remedies. Further information was provided showing that the parties could only reach a resolution on the appropriate scope of remedies by February 5, 2024. This new development is the result of a request for a deadline extension in the remedies phase of the litigation made by one of the parties twice. You may remember that the court at Ripple's request moved forward the deadline for finishing the discovery process relating to remedies from February 12, 2024 to February 2024. In response to the SEC's request, the court may or may not decide to postpone the deadline for remedy briefs. After being priced in the same range for several years, XRP, one of the most popular alternative cryptocurrencies, has the makings of a major player in the cryptocurrency industry. The community is eagerly anticipating the $1 mark, and there are many signs that this may happen soon. We should do that to find out when will XRP surpass $1 in price. As shown on CoinMarketCap, XRP's trade volume is already over $2 trillion, putting it in 6th position. Price data show that given the current market conditions, XRP has a good chance of reaching a price higher than its current value. In terms of economic research, there are 3 main reasons why XRP might potentially approach $1 soon. These justifications are predicated on the current state of affairs and the market, both of which are subject to change in the future. There will be a change from the expected result if this happens. These are the 3 most important reasons why XRP will surpass $1. The impact of positive market sentiment on the XRP price, with its most significant gain happening on February 27th when it surpassed the average price mark of this coin 0.5. XRP's price has climbed by more than 5% in the last week. The current price of XRP is 0.5, which is a 4% increase from the price 1 day ago. The Bitcoin industry is currently seeing success for a plethora of additional cryptocurrencies as well. The value of 1 Bitcoin has risen above $57,000 and is about to hit a new all-time high. Furthermore, it is anticipated that the value of Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 in accordance with the index of fear and greed. Currently, the indicator is around 80, indicating excessive greed, and market circumstances are positive for the month. It shows that more people are buying cryptocurrencies, which has caused most coin prices to skyrocket. The market capitalization hit $1 trillion, an increase of 1.40%. Market analysis shows that it is quite similar to the 2017 epic run that led to XRP's all-time high pricing. Opportunities for XRP to get closer to the $1 mark may arise as a result of such developments. Regulatory concerns are the subject of 2 new matters. The legal team representing XRP has stated that the long-running dispute between Ripple and the SEC will finally come to a head in 2024. Assuming this is true, consumers will have the opportunity to savor the upcoming bull run without the constraints imposed by ongoing legal proceedings. Regardless, XRP's value kept rising sharply, and it reached $0.8 in July of last year, smack dab in the middle of this legal issue. Based on this, let's say the settlements happen this year, an XRP price higher than $1 is not out of the question. 3 collaborations that aim to attract attention and cause XRP's price to rise. Ripple officially announced their acquisition of another cryptocurrency custodian at the start of this year. It is evident that the company is aiming to broaden its custodial service to enhance its payment capabilities. In order to further increase the tokenization of assets on the XRP ledger, Ripple has partnered with Aquila, Thanks to this partnership, XRP may leverage Axe's GMP technology to execute smart contract calls on over 55 distinct blockchains. The development of decentralized applications within an interconnected ecosystem on the XRP network will be simplified as a consequence. As a conclusion to the last 2 days, the XRP price's performance has stoked community hopes that the cryptocurrency could soon reach $1. If current trends and market conditions persist, this might happen very soon. Cryptos are doing quite well right now, and the market for them is in a positive zone. Ethereum has surpassed the 3,000 milestone. For additional information, you may go here. Ripple XRP is about to perhaps shatter a huge historical mark, even though it has only seen a small growth over the previous several weeks. When compared to its rivals, XRP's 5.05% 24-hour rise, which brought it to $0.58, is negligible. In the time after this small gain, the cryptocurrency failed to break over the crucial $0.06 price threshold, widely seen as a major turning point in the establishment of new growth trends. Hence, the coin was unable to surpass this price. Historical information on Ripple. From what we can see, XRP has historically ended the month of February with losses. Only 3 times in the last decade has the price of XRP ended the month of February in a positive position, according to data from CryptoRank. The following years saw increases 2016 23%, 2019 1%, and 2022 26%. This is illustrated by these rising instances. However, February's average growth rate for XRP has dropped to 3%, which is in line with the fact that the month typically finishes with losses. Also, there was a 7% drop in the median growth rate. If the 9% gain from the start of the month to date can be confirmed by XRP, it can end up having a growth rate that is higher than average and even the median. This is based on how the cryptocurrency is currently perceived. If the current trend keeps up, XRP holders and bulls should be able to improve the cryptocurrency's monthly prognosis. Even though XRP's growth is slower than that of more conventional cryptocurrency marketplaces, this is still the case. Given the lack of support or even negativity around XRP, it's likely that the wider ecosystem's excitement will be crucial for the cryptocurrency to reach its near-term objectives. This is due to the fact that despite the enthusiasm around XRP within its ecosystem, the case involving Ripple Labs, Inc. and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) remains unresolved in new developments in Ripple technology. The fact that Bitcoin, BTC, and XRP are all moving in the same direction might be excellent news for the cryptocurrency, because the price of Bitcoin BTC is on the rise and has broken through the $58,000 mark. The combination of these two causes could help the cryptocurrency price reach new heights in the near future, perhaps even surpassing the $0.06 mark. This is the reason why the popular alternative cryptocurrency is getting more popular over time. Much is unclear about its near-term objectives, and the outcome of this situation might depend on the positive impact that extensive ecosystem excitement produces. An expert in the cryptocurrency market, Dark Defender, forecasted that XRP's value will skyrocket to $0.91 by March's end. Predictions for XRP's future trajectory are bullish, with a possible spike to $0.91 between March 10th and 13th.